Hi dear students, in this video I'm going to explain adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. It's similar with fractions, adding, subtracting fractions. Here, when the denominator is same, if you remember, for addition and subtraction, denominators must be same. And here the fraction is given with same denominator. So you are copying the same denominator. You are not doing any operation about the denominator. Only you are adding numerators, which is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer of 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7, it's going to be equal to 5 over 7. Similarly, we are going to do the same operation here. 2x over 7 and 3x over 7. The denominator we are going to copy and it's not going to change. And we are not going to do an operation. So 2x plus 3x, it's going to be equal to 5x. So the answer is 5x over 7. 2x over 7 plus 3x over 7, it's going to be equal to 5x over 7. Here, also, if you do the operation between the fractions, you know if the denominators are different, you are going to make the denominator same firstly. You are going to write here 4 and you are going to write here 3. So when you multiply 4 by 3, it's going to be equal to 12. Then 4 by 2, it's going to be equal to 8. So 8 over 12 and plus 3 over 12 it's going to be. Now the denominators are same. We can do operation between the numerators. Common denominator is written directly here, 12, 12, and the common denominator is 12. So you can add only or subtract. If it is subtraction, you can add only the numerators. 8 plus 3 is going to be equal to 11. 11 over 12 is the answer. Similarly, if the denominators are not same, we are going to do like in fractions. Firstly, we are going to make the denominators equal. And here, this one, the denominator is 3. To make it 12, I'm going to multiply by 4. And this one is 4. I'm going to multiply by 3. And I'm going to make them equal. 4 times, when you multiply 4 times 2x, it's going to be equal to 8x. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So it is 8x over 12. 3 times x is equal to 3x. It's going to be 3 times 4. It's going to be equal to 12. So 8x over 12 plus 3x over 12. 8 plus 3 it's equal to 11. 11x over 12. The common denominator, it's going to repeat. We are not going to change anything for the denominator. So the answer is going to be 11x over 12. Okay, let's continue here with the exercises. Here, as you see, the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, we are not doing an operation with the denominator directly. We are doing the operations between numerator with respect to sign. So it's equal to 9 minus 2 over y it's going to be, which is equal to 7 over y. Here the denominators are not same. If the denominators are not same, we are going to firstly make the denominators same. 4 and 5, they don't have any common factors. So directly I'm going to write under the 4 5 and under the 5 4. Then I'm going to get the expressions here. 5 times 5x is equal to 25x. It's going to be 5 times 5x. Then 5 times 4 it's going to be here. And one by one I'm going to multiply like that. And 5 times 4 it's going to be equal to 20 minus 4 times 2x it's going to be equal to 8x. And 4 times 5 it's going to be equal to 20. So if the denominators are same, now I can write with the common denominator, which is equal to 25x minus 8x, and the answer it's going to be 25 minus 8, which is equal to 17x divided by 20 is the answer going to be. Okay, here the denominators are same and the variables at the denominator, but 3x and 6x, and I know that when I multiply 3x by 2, I'm going to get 6x, because 3x times 2, it's going to be equal to 6x. So I'm going to write here 2, then I'm going to write here 1. Okay, 2 times 2, it's going to be equal to 1 by 1. If you multiply 2 times 2, is going to be equal to 4, divided by 2 times 3x is equal to 6x, plus when you multiply by 1, it's not going to change. 1 over 6x it's going to be. Now the denominators are same, so the answer is going to be 4 plus 1 divided by 6x. It's going to be 4 plus 1 divided by 6x, which is equal to 5 divided by 6x. It's going to be. Okay, here I want you to remind about one rule. Here the denominators are not same and they are also variables. So I'm going to crossly write again y and x, but I want you to remind about one rule. If a over b plus c over d, plus or minus, it is not important. If the denominators are not same, you can do quick operation like this. A times d plus or minus b times c divided by b times d. This is the short operation of adding and subtraction fraction. So here you can do the same. Y times 3, it's equal to 3y, plus 2 times x, it's going to be equal to 2x, and the common denominator is x times y, it's going to be, which is x times y, it's going to be y times x, it's going to be, or x times y you can write. So the answer is 3y plus 2x divided by xy, it's going to be. Okay. Here we have some exercises. I'm going to solve some exercises and I'm going to continue with the exercises. From each page I'm trying to solve one exercise. So 5x over 7, here I'm going to solve g. 5x over 7 minus 2x divided by 7. Okay, then the answer it's going to be equal to 5x minus 2x divided by 7, because the common denominator is same. Here all the denominators are same. I'm not going to do cross multiplication operation here. 5x minus 2x, it's going to be equal to 3x. 3x over 7 is the answer it's going to be. Okay, if we continue other type of exercises when the denominators are not same. Here denominators are not same and we are going to crossly multiply them. 5y over 7 minus y over 2. By rule, 5 times 2, it's equal to 5y times 2, and 7 minus 7 times y divided by 7 times 2 is our solution it's going to be, which is equal to 10y minus 7y divided by 14. It's going to be 10y minus 7y is going to be equal to 3y divided by 14 is the answer of the question H. It's going to be here. Okay, here as you see the denominators, they are not same, and sometimes it will have the cross, we need to multiply maybe crossly, but here we are not going to multiply crossly because they are like terms here. 2x and x, they are like terms, so only I'm going to multiply the denominators by numbers here. So if I multiply this one by 2, I can get similar numbers. 2x, it's going to be denominator, and they are going to be equal to each other. So 1 over 2x plus 2 times 3 is equal to 6 divided by 2x. So the denominators are same, which is equal to 7 over 2x. It's going to be, for this question, we are going to multiply the denominators to make the denominator same. I'm going to multiply the second one by x, because x times y, when it becomes the common denominators, it will be. So 3 divided by xy, it's going to be multiply only by 1, so it's going to be same. And if you multiply x by 2, which is equal to 2x, it's going to be, and x times y, it's equal to xy, it's going to be. Now the denominators are same. You can do the operation between numerators. 3 plus 2x divided by x times y is the answer of the question.